Alright, so let's get started. My boss would like me to start using Doodle, which is this application up here, to schedule events online for our business. She also wants me to give a demonstration of how Doodle works at the next staff meeting. According to the website, Doodle is an online scheduling tool used by more than 30 million happy users a month. For this particular demonstration, I'll be creating a group meeting, since I need to present this demonstration at the next staff meeting. I can go down here to create a group meeting, or I can simply press create and go up here and select what I would like to create. You can also create a one-on-one meeting, a survey, add contacts, or link your Outlook or other calendars to Doodle. In order for me to create a group meeting, I'll simply go here, enter title, depending upon if it loads. Let's see what happens if we go here. We'll enter a title. Staff meeting. Okay, add location. And it looks like we can select from any of these choices, so I'll just select Zoom. And add a note. Demonstration. Demonstration of Doodle. Okay. Alright, so I will connect to my calendar later, but that is an option. For now, I can use the calendar here. And I'll schedule it for, let's see, we'll schedule it for Tuesday, October 27th at 10 a.m. Cool. Or 9:45 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. Perfect. Now let's see here. Poll settings. I can unlock Premium Doodle, or I can continue with what I have. Participants' names, comments, votes are confidential. Only you can see the results. That makes sense. Okay. So yeah, I can add a poll to this. And I'll finish that up. Okay. It says I can invite participants. I don't have emails to send to anybody at this time, so that looks like how that would go. And then there's just a bunch of advertisements down there for some reason. So yeah, that's a basic demonstration of how one would create a meeting, a group meeting specifically, in Doodle. I can invite using a link right here, which is pretty cool as well. All right. Thank you for your time.